Have you ever dreamed of turning your small backyard into a lush green paradise but didn't know where to start? Imagine stepping out into your own personal oasis every morning, surrounded by vibrant plants and beautiful landscapes. In today's video, we'll show you the best ideas you can use to follow your dream. First things first, planning. A well-thought-out plan is the foundation of any successful garden. Start by sketching a rough layout of your backyard. Understanding the sun and shade patterns in your yard is crucial for plant selection. Spend a day observing your backyard at different times and take notes. Let's talk design principles. Even in a small space, you can create a visually appealing and functional garden. Your garden should have a cohesive look. Use a consistent color palette, materials, and plant types to create a unified appearance. Choose plants and garden elements that are in scale with the size of your backyard. Avoid overcrowding and ensure that larger plants don't overwhelm the space. Create focal points to draw the eye and add interest. This could be a beautiful tree, a water feature, a sculpture, or a seating area. Choosing the right plants is key to a lush and thriving garden. Native plants are adapted to your local climate and soil conditions, making them easier to care for and more likely to thrive. They also support local wildlife. Perennials come back year after year, providing long-term structure to your garden. Annuals offer seasonal color and can be changed out each year for variety. Use vertical space to your advantage by growing climbers and vines. They can cover fences, walls, and trellises. Adding greenery without taking up much ground space. And there you have it. With a bit of planning, creativity, and regular maintenance, you can transform your small backyard into a lush, green oasis. But before you go, here's a little secret. The magic of a garden is always evolving.